Welcome to Student Podcast. Today I have one more little guest. Let me ask his name and let's see what he'll share today. What is your name?
My name is Sri Harsha.
Sri Harsha. Okay. Sri Harsha, which class you are studying?
I am studying in UKG class.
Very good. Which school you are studying in?
My school name is Sai Shanti English Medium School.
Oh, very good. What is your mother name?
My mother name is Monica.
What is your father name?
My father name is Srikant.
Sri Harsha, how many days we have in a week?
7 days.
What are they?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Very good. So totally we have 7 days in a week. Okay. Can you tell me how many months we have in a year?
12 months.
12 months. What are they?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Oh, very good. Can you tell me spelling of January?
January, January.
Very good. Do you know the spelling of Monday?
Monday, Monday.
Friday?
Friday, Friday.
Oh, very good. Now I will give you one object name. You have to spell out. Okay? Apple,
Apple, apple.
cat,
Cat, cat.
gun.
Gun, gun.
Okay. Better you know any shlokas? Which shloka can you say? Put your hands together and say. చెప్పు నీకు సహస్రనామరుచిగా రాముడివి చెప్తావా ఫస్ట్ శ్రీరామ రాముడి చెప్పు దాని తర్వాత అది స్టార్ట్ చేయి ఓకే జాయిన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ టుగెదర్
శ్రీరామ రామ రామేతి రమే రామే మనోరమే సహస్రవ తత్తుల్య రామ రామ వర రామ వలే
రామ రామ వరాననే వెరీ గుడ్ ఓకే నౌ కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ నేమ్స్ A to Z Rama names A
for Ayodhya Rama, B for Barwar Rama, C for Chinmaya Rama, D for Dasharatha Rama, E for Ishwara Rama, F for Falguna Rama, G for Gunapkara Rama, H for Ranmanta Rama, I for Inaya Rama, J for Jayadapi Rama, K for Kausalya Rama, L for Lakshmana Rama, M for Maryada Rama, N for Narahari Rama, O for Onkara Rama, P for Purushottara Rama, Q for Kushalava Rama, R for Raghukula Rama, S for Sita Rama, T for Taraka Rama, U for Datta Rama, V for Vashishta Rama, W for Vaikunta Rama, X for Jitendra Rama, Y for Yogita Rama, Z for Janahita Rama.
Very good. Now, beta, can you tell me what is your favorite color?
White.
You like white color? Harsha, can you sing a song of Monday, Tuesday? You usually sing in school, right? Can you sing that song for me? Come on, sing the song.
Sun, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Very good. Now I'll ask you some sentences in English. You have to tell me. Okay? I'll show you the object, then you have to tell me. What is this?
This is a veena.
What is that?
That is a light.
Very good. What is that?
This is a pen. This is a chair.
Very good. What is that?
That is a fan.
థ్యాంక్ యూ శ్రీ హర్ష ఇంకా నాకు నెక్స్ట్ టైం నేను ఎప్పుడు పిలిచినప్పుడు నువ్వు నాకు స్టోరీస్ చెప్పాలి ఓకేనా బాగా స్టోరీస్ నేర్చుకొని వచ్చి చెప్పు బట్ షార్ట్ కన్వర్జేషన్ వెరీ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ యు ఆర్. ఎప్పుడైనా ధైర్యంగా మాట్లాడాలి అలాగే. ఓకే, గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
Daily conversations will help students to grow a little more every day and support these little children. Thank you.